Today I'm playing Bee-Born Bimulator, where you raise slaves and they give you pollen and then you make honey. And then you buy more slaves. Yeah, I think that's what you're meant to do. So I got no one. Wait, open the egg menu and drag and go to the honeycomb. Egg. Basic egg. Ooh. Okay. What's that? I spotted something out of the corner of my eye. Now I've got to go find it. I think we gotta go jump up here. Here, there. Oh no! This one is the best. Kill the ladybug. Come on, bee, you suck! Okay, now let's try this again. Gifted bumblebee. Is that good? I think it's gifted, so it's good. Yay, it's so good. I got a gifted bumblebee on my first try. Okay. Okay, now it's actually cooked. Is that a bear? Why are there bears in Bee Swamp Simulator? Isn't it meant to be about bees? That's a bear. Right? You're a black bear. Why is there bears? I am black bear. I don't care. 100 pollen from the sun. I wouldn't be able to do that. Oh, wait, no, I could. Oh, wait, no, I can't. I got 99. Very special. This is the most grinding game that I saw, and I thought it'd be good to make a series on it. Alright, let's go. Sunflower star is ready for blackberry. Yay! That is awesome. I am so happy. Let's go. Ooh, I got 200 honey. Make honey. Haha. This is this. Honey's being made. Okay, there we go. Oh wait, no, he's still making honey. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's get this other quest. Give me your other quest. Alright, what is it? 250 from the dandelion. Wait, what's this? Open shop? Oh, I can't afford it. Alright, bye. Oh, it's pros! Come on, pros! Oh, honey! Wait, what? Okay. Alright, now slave get to work. Gotta get more slaves. My only slave is doing nothing. He's so slow. Slave get to work. Yes, slave. Yeah. Chris is ready to talk to Blackberry. Hey, get away from my base. Is that a dog? Away, but it's Bee Storm Simulator. Why are there different animals? Rules get us other quests. 500 pounds. That should be easy. Oh my god, it's the dancing stick bug. Oh my god. Can I get your autograph? Please? Can I get your autograph? need a second V. I need 6,600. Oh my god, I need so much pollen. Oh, I can talk to Blackbird. Hello. Put this slave to work. Red quest. One slave is just not good enough. Get better.
Get those speed boots.